I've received this email allegedly from PayPal and it's saying action required on your PayPal account. Use your account to avoid an inactivity service fee. Based on your currency, these are some of the service fee that PayPal would charge. And if you scroll further down, it says what you have to do to avoid this inactivity service fee. And the simplest thing is to log into your account. Further down, there is a link that says activate your account. However, we don't know whether this email is genuine or not, but if you would hover your mouse over this link, it would give you the full web address. And as you can see, it is directed to paypal.com. So that's a good sign. Also, if you would check the sender's email address, it is service@paypal.co.uk. This is also a good sign because it seems to be legit, but it's always better to be extra careful and not to click on any links on any emails. So instead, go to Google and type PayPal, select paypal.com, click on login, enter your email ID and then click on next, enter your password and click on login. After logging into your account, on the top right corner you should see a notification bell. Click on it, then click on view messages. If the inactivity email is legit, then I should get the same email in here under the messages. But as you can see, none of these messages refer to the inactivity service fee. That's not a good sign, but I'm still not convinced whether that email is genuine or scam. So what you can do is to click on ask PayPal assistant. Then you can ask, do I have to pay inactivity fee? Enter. Then it will reply with some weird reply and I say no, and none of these is related to my question. So I type need more help. Because I'm typing not within the working hours, I get this message. So I wait until after 8. After 8 I log in again and I go through this one more time. Then it would say, would you like to send this conversation to a customer service agent? I select yes, and now I will explain the full circumstances regarding the inactivity service fee, and then I send the message. But as you can read in here, it might take few hours for them to reply to your question. So you don't need to wait in here, you can log out. And then I received an email. As you can see, they replied approximately after 20 minutes, and this is the answer. First answer is that email is genuine and that if you would log in to your account, then you would not need to pay any inactivity fee. So I got the answers to my questions. Now I can click on end message and then click on end message again. So basically that email is genuine and PayPal actually does charge an inactivity service fee. And by simply logging into your PayPal account, you could avoid paying that fee. But don't click on any links. In any case, you can easily log in by going to Google and typing PayPal and signing in from there.